Hello, my minion. This is Metz's Racing, Bashing, and Crawling. This is the unboxing of a Tekno EB410-2. Let's see what we got here. Yes, 1/10 scale, electric competition buggy. Here we go. Let's see what we got here. This over here. We have our body. There's our wing. And here we have our bags of parts. Bags of parts. There's a chassis. All our fluids, greases, and Loctite. And of course, the instruction manual and stickers. So, when we come back, we'll take a look at seeing about putting this thing together. We'll talk to you later. Bye.